Hey, tech enthusiasts, have you ever wondered what we could achieve with 100% accurate nanotechnology? Imagine manipulating matter at the atomic level with flawless precision. Today, let's dive into the mind-blowing possibilities of such a breakthrough. First, let's talk about the short-term impact. Within the next 1 to 5 years, in medicine we could revolutionize healthcare with targeted drug delivery. Picture nanobots delivering chemotherapy directly to cancer cells, eliminating side effects like nausea and hair loss. We could also use nanosensors to detect diseases years before symptoms appear. A single drop of blood could give us a complete health profile in seconds. In the industrial realm, nanotechnology could produce ultra-strong, lightweight materials for construction and aerospace. Imagine bridges 10 times stronger than steel, but only a fraction of the weight. Electronics would also get a massive upgrade, with processors becoming 100 times faster. Now let's look at the medium term, 5 to 20 years from now. We're talking about organ regeneration. Nanobots could rebuild organs cell by cell, eliminating the need for transplants. Heart or kidney failure could be cured, saving millions of lives annually. The concept of aging could also be redefined, with nanomachines repairing cellular damage and potentially reversing the aging process. Imagine staying active well into your 90s. Industry would be transformed as well. Picture self-assembling products, cars or houses materializing on demand, slashing manufacturing costs and waste. In terms of energy, nanotech could make fusion reactors a reality, providing limitless clean energy and solving our energy crisis once and for all. Looking further ahead, 20 to 100 years into the future, the possibilities become even more mind-blowing. Human augmentation could become mainstream. Nanobots could enhance our physical and cognitive abilities, making us stronger, smarter, and more resilient. The idea of immortality might not be so far-fetched, with continuous cellular repair making death from natural causes a thing of the past. On a cosmic scale, nanotechnology could enable planetary engineering. We could terraform Mars, making it habitable and supporting billions of settlers. Imagine constructing Dyson spheres to harness the full energy of stars, powering interstellar civilizations. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. There are significant challenges. Achieving 100% accuracy requires quantum-level precision. The cost of producing trillions of nanobots would be astronomical. There are also ethical dilemmas to consider. Who gets access to these enhancements? How do we prevent misuse or monopolization? Global regulation will be crucial. We'll need a UN-like body to oversee nanotech development, ensuring safety and ethical standards. Open-source models could prevent monopolies, and education campaigns could build public trust. In summary, unlocking 100% accurate nanotechnology could lead to a golden age, eradicating diseases, enhancing human abilities, and even enabling interstellar colonization. But we must navigate the challenges carefully. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more futuristic explorations. Until next time, stay curious.